welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the blog. Thank you guys for stopping by. We are walking around the pits here at the Rolex Historic Monterey Reunion, and it is just full of iconic Trans Am cars. So let's take a look at all of them.
The number 16 car, Ivan Zaremba, the Wilson Light Sports Tour, a successful British CSCC competitor through the 80s, won the Mike Hawthorne Trophy with owner driver Richard Fry in 1989, and raced in American events by the current owner since 1997. Like that tonneau cover over the passenger side of the car. I used to do that as the Morgan wind resistant car. Reduces drag. Funny as cars it's a lot for just as heavy one. Four laps done, 6 laps to go in this one.
Take that and tow another one with a top engine.
Our ninth and final row, starting 17, car 55, Robert Hoffman, Charlotte, North Carolina, selecting the McLaren LAS, that was born in court, as is the other McLaren that shares that row, at the 1970 model, with an NAC, it's driven by Nicholas Colon of Beverly Hills, that car number 10. McAllister with that big 8.6 it's going to be the first car in 271. Get that right, get inside, or get in, get close to them, so they can move forward and close them. I'm bringing them way wide.
got a million. Oh yeah. Oh, the green one, yeah.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the Trans Am series for us. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe, leave a message, leave a comment, like a thing. Just tell us what you like, tell us what you want to see so we can bring you more events all over the US. Enjoy.